neighborhoods. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Vanier Woods, a lively neighborhood in southeast Red Deer, Alberta. It was named in honor of Governor General Georges Villiers Vanier. Here, families and young professionals enjoy newer homes built mostly after 2000 along calm, leafy streets with parks, wetlands, and walking trails spread across the area. Vanier Woods offers a peaceful suburban feel just a quick ride from the city center. It has a young, growing population and a strong sense of community that makes it easy to put down roots. Red Deer is a growing city in central Alberta, located between Calgary and Edmonton. The city started as a stopping place for travelers and fur traders in the 1800s, thanks to its location by the Red Deer River. The river's name comes from early settlers who called the local elk Red Deer. Today, Red Deer is a busy city known for its parks, trails, and outdoor spaces. It's surrounded by farmland and rolling hills, with the beautiful Rocky Mountains not far to the west. The city has a strong history in farming, oil, and trade, and it remains a welcoming place where people enjoy a mix of nature and community life. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Red Deer, Alberta.
Much.
Thanks for watching.